minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Hey guys, Nakiya Lindsey here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, first thing is first, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you'll be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. Here we post lifestyle vlogs, beauty content. We post whatever we feel is right over here. And if you're an old faithful watcher, then hey, thank you for tuning back into your girl. I know I've been doing a lot of vlogs lately, so I want to come back and get back into the roots of my channel, which is makeup beauty. So I'm bringing you guys a full get ready with me that includes a little bit of hairstyling, not really because my hair is already in locks, makeup, fragrance, and an outfit. Your girl's going out tonight. Okay, we outside tonight. It's been an all outside type of weekend, but tonight we really getting lit. It's like a little date night slash fun night out. I'm going out with my husband and my friend. I will include a little bit of the night at the end of this video, but I don't want to keep y'all waiting too long. If you want to see a full get ready with me, then keep on watching. Guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with these brows. I'm gonna zoom y'all in just a little bit closer so we can get fine, you know, so we can get close and things. All right, you guys, so first thing is first, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with my e.l.f. brow lift. This is just to lay my hairs down into place. This is my first time using it, so I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel in the next video, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. This is the One Size Secure the Blur Foundation Primer. I love this primer. It gives you a nice flawless finish to your face. I did go to Ulta and picked up a few products that I'll be using in this tutorial as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe dual-ended double-sided pencil. Well, not really a double-sided, but this is their micro pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. Now to carve out my brows for concealer, I did use my Sephora concealer, which you will see later on in this video. But to prime my eyes, I'm going in with my Louise Rumor 2 base. Honey, a little bit goes a long way. And yes, I'm still using Louise. So what I said. For eyeshadows, I'm going to have everything listed down below. But this is a brand called Shop Hype Beauty. And I'm using my Anastasia times Jackie Aina palette. The darker V that you see me placing is from my Shop Hype Beauty collection. It's more of like a really dark, smoky black brown. I'm just placing that in the outer corners of my eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and sweep it into my crease just a little bit. And I'm going in with my Jackie Aina palette. I'm showing you guys the shade Credit, but your girl did not use Credit, okay? I used two other colors, which I will have down below. I'm just blending out that dark brown that I placed halfway into my crease, and I'm just diffusing that color into my crease as my transitional shade. Now I'm going back in with the Shop Hype Beauty. I took two colors out of this palette, the light pale shade and a nude shade. I'm placing the light pale on the inner corner, and I am blending in that nude shade into that corner color. And I'm taking a burnt orange shade, and I'm just diffusing that between the nude color and the first color that we did put down, which was the dark smoky brown. This might be my new go-to everyday look, y'all. Like, this might be the one. I'm going in with my NYX Epic Line eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a wing liner. Nothing too crazy, you know, but nothing too simple as well, because if you know me, you know me. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and move to my eyelashes. These will be linked in my Amazon storefront, which is down below. These are nice flirty lashes. They do get the job done. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Liquid Halo Glow. This is in the deepest shade that they have. This is also my first time using this product. I'll let you guys know how I feel later on when I use this a little bit more, because right now I don't know how I feel. I just feel like it's you know, it's there. I have to keep using it, I think, and just use it for like a nice dewy look. But I can't say I did see an instant glow after I applied it. Next, I'm going in with my Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. This is in the shade 520W. I was going to use my Anastasia Luminous Foundation, but I quickly changed my mind for this night. Your girl loves this Rare Beauty Foundation. I'm not even going to hold y'all. For concealers, I'm going in with my Sephora Best Skin Ever. This is in the shade 55N that you see me applying right now. I am placing that under my eye, in the corner of my eye. This is a little bit of a lighter shade, but once I blend it out, it doesn't really give me that pop, that brightness that I'm looking for. So this is just a good coverage concealer. Consistency is thick. I'm taking my beauty blender. Your girl will only blend her products out with a beauty blender, okay? Period. I will not use a puff for this beauty blender. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. I like for it to get a little bit tacky just so the coverage can be more high. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have 2 shades, so right now I'm just taking Deep Chestnut and applying that in the inner portion and outer portion only. And I'm going to take the shade Deep Caramel, which is even lighter, and place that on top as well. Because like I told y'all, I'm going for a very bright highlighted look. Again, let that get tacky, but not too tacky because this will be hard to blend out. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just blend. And you see how bright we are now? Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Next, I'm going in with my 2 setting powders for my under eye highlighted areas. I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect shade Translucent Caramelized Peach. It is a matte powder. I am placing that down first to set all of my areas. And then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Kunafa Loose Bake Setting Powder just to give me that brightened effect. As you can see, I only place it right in the inner portion. Putty bronzer. Let me tell y'all something. This bronzer did not give what needs to be done. This is in the shade Sunkissed, and the shade Sunkissed is basically my skin color. So I don't know if I'm gonna return it, if I'm gonna put it in like my kit if I start back doing makeup. I don't know what I'm doing with it, but it really didn't do too much. Maybe I have to get a deeper shade and I'll enjoy it. But you can see my face, it's not really giving me what I thought it would give. So I'm going in with my Black Opal Deluxe foundation stick, and this is in the shade Ebony Brown. I'm just going over just to contour my face up a little bit more. And I'm taking my beauty blender to go ahead and blend that in. The face is giving. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and place that over all areas that I contoured. I'm going in with my One Size Turn Up the Base Foundation Powder in the shade 5N. If you know, you know. This is my staple. I've been using it for like over a year. Honey, it does what needs to be done. I'm gonna go ahead and place that everywhere over my face just to set everything together. I'm in with my e.l.f. Putty Blush. This is in the shade Caribbean. It's a cute color. It does give your cheeks a little flush of color, which is really nice if you just want like a subtle blush shade. But me, I'm going extra. I'm going to add the Rare Beauty Liquid Brush in the shade Love, just to give me a little bit more color on the cheeks. Also because I just started using these liquid blushes and I actually really enjoy liquid blushes. So yeah. And to set it, I'm going in with the blush binder by the Crayon Case, and I'm going to set it with a pinkish shade. And add blush to y'all nose, y'all. Please add a little blush to your nose. Eyeliner you see me using right now. This is my PIXI Beauty Liner. I don't have a name because I did receive it in PR, so I'll try to find it for y'all. That's the look. And I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my e.l.f. Mist Foundation Primer Setting Spray, whatever it's called, down below. It'll be linked. Now I'm going in with my lips. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Liner in Molasses. If you know, you know. There's no explanation. This is a holy grail. Please don't sell her out. Y'all sold her out during the sale and I could not grab it. Okay? Now for lips, I'm going in with the shade, I don't know what shade this is, but this is by the brand Essence. I don't think they carry this anymore because they did discontinue because this was on sale. But it's a nice pinky color, okay? This is the look. Now let's go to the accessories and outfit. I'm using my YSL Libre perfume in this black Chanel dupe bag that I purchased. All outfit details will be down below, but the shirt is from Shein, the top is from Amazon, the jacket is from a consignment shop, and the booties are from Shein as well. Yes. Y'all, this is the final look. Let me know down below. I'm talking like I don't have an outro, but this is, yes, giving face. You hear me? Face. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think down below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you made it all the way through this video. You rock with your girl. Hit the little notification bell as well. Yeah, that was tonight's Get Ready With Me. I'm gonna be real truthful. This is post-edit Nakiya because I forgot to do an ending with this video, so I just got back in from my night out recording this for y'all. So, but until the next video, y'all. Bye.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she